Imagine a man who digs up a corpse from the graveyard. He ties the rotting body to his back. He carries it to breakfast. He carries it to work. He sleeps with it in his bed. The smell is unbearable. The weight is crushing his spine. He cannot run. He cannot stand tall. He can barely breathe. People look at him with horror, but he refuses to cut the rope. He says, "I cannot leave him. He is part of me." You think this is madness? Look in the mirror. You are that man. The corpse is your past. The mistake you made 5 years ago. The person who broke your heart. The business that failed. The childhood trauma. The embarrassment. They are dead. They no longer exist in reality. They only exist in your mind. And yet, you drag them with you into every new day. You wonder why you are tired. You wonder why you are anxious. You wonder why you cannot succeed. It is because you are haunting yourself. You are living in a haunted house built of your own memories. The ancient Stoics believed that time is divided into 3 parts. The present, which is fleeting. The future, which is uncertain. And the past, which is unchangeable. To fight with the past is to fight with reality itself. It is a battle you are guaranteed to lose. Seneca said, 2 elements must be rooted out once for all: the fear of future suffering and the recollection of past suffering. The latter no longer concerns me, and the former concerns me not yet. Today, on Philostrion, we are going to cut the rope. We are going to teach you the Stoic art of letting go, not because it is nice to forgive, but because it is necessary to survive. We are going to bury the dead so the living can finally breathe. Law number 1, realize the past does not exist. This is not a metaphor. This is physics. Where is yesterday? Can you touch it? Can you show it to me? Can you buy it? No. It is gone. It has vanished into the void of non-existence. The only place yesterday exists is in the electrical signals firing in your brain right now. When you lay in bed at 3 a.m., replaying an argument you had 10 years ago, you are hallucinating. You are getting angry at a ghost. You are getting sad about a phantom. You are suffering for something that is not real. Marcus Aurelius, the emperor who lost children, friends, and wars, wrote to himself, "Remember that man lives only in the present, in this fleeting instant. All the rest of his life is either past and gone or not yet revealed." Stop treating your memories as if they are current events. When you dwell on the past, you're choosing to be a prisoner in a jail cell that has no bars. You can walk out at any moment. The door is open. The only thing keeping you inside is your addiction to the pain. Why are you addicted? Because the past is safe. The past is known. The present requires action. The present requires courage. It is easier to cry about what happened than to fix what is happening. Stop hiding in the graveyard. Come out into the light. The enemy is dead. Stop fighting him. Law number 2, amor fati, love the scar. Most people try to forget the past or fix the past. The Stoic does neither. The Stoic accepts the past as a necessary piece of the architecture of his life. Friedrich Nietzsche, channeling the Stoic spirit, gave us the concept of amor fati, love of fate. That one wants nothing to be different, not forward, not backward, not in all eternity. Think of the worst thing that ever happened to you, the heartbreak, the failure, the betrayal. Now, look at who you are today. Did that pain make you stronger? Did it make you wiser? Did it teach you a lesson you could not have learned any other way? if you erase the pain, you would also erase the wisdom. You would erase the strength. You would be a weaker, softer, more ignorant version of yourself. Do not wish it didn't happen. Embrace that it did happen. Your scars are not signs of damage. They are medals of survival. They are the map of your journey. The iron does not cry because it was put in the fire. The iron thanks the fire for making it into steel. When you look back, do not say, "Why me?" Say, "Thank you. I needed that." Even if it hurt, even if it broke you, it was the fuel for your ascension. Without the fall, there is no rise. Without the darkness, the light has no meaning. Love the chaos that created you. Law number 3, the cost of anger. You are holding a grudge. You are angry at someone who wronged you. You want revenge. You want them to suffer. So you replay their betrayal in your mind every day. You check their social media. You talk about them to your friends. You think you are punishing them. But who is suffering? Are they suffering? No. They are probably out there living their life, laughing, eating, sleeping, completely oblivious to your rage. You are the one losing sleep. You are the one with the high blood pressure. You are the one whose joy is being poisoned. Buddha said, holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. Seneca said, anger, if not restrained, is frequently more hurtful to us than the injury that provokes it. Forgiveness is not about being nice to them. It is not about saying what they did was okay. Forgiveness is an act of selfishness. It is an act of self-preservation. You forgive them so you can stop choking on the poison. You forgive them so you can kick them out of your head. Why are you letting your enemy live rent-free in your mind? Evict them. The best revenge is not to hurt them. The best revenge is to be happy, to be successful, to be unbothered, to live a life so full and magnificent that their existence becomes irrelevant to you. Indifference is the ultimate insult. Give them your silence. Law number 4. You are not the person who made the mistake. There is a philosophical paradox called the ship of Theseus. If you replace every single piece of wood in a ship over time, is it still the same ship? Biologically, your cells are constantly dying and being replaced. Psychologically, your beliefs, your knowledge, and your perspective are constantly changing. The person you were 5 years ago is dead. That person was ignorant. That person was weak. That person did not know what you know now. So why are you punishing the current you for the actions of the dead you? It is unjust to punish a man for a crime committed by a stranger. And the you of the past is a stranger. You look back and cringe. You feel shame. How could I have been so stupid? That shame is proof of growth. It means you are smarter now. It means you have evolved. Do not judge your past self with your current wisdom. That is unfair. Your past self did the best they could with the limited tools they had at the time. Have mercy on that fool. They were just a child wandering in the dark. You are the adult now. Stop beating the child. Pick them up, learn the lesson, and move forward. You are a flowing river, not a stagnant pond. Do not freeze yourself in a moment of time that has already passed. Law number 5, rewrite the narrative. You cannot control what happened, but you have absolute control over the story you tell about what happened. Epictetus taught that it is not events that disturb us, but our judgment of those events. 2 men can experience the exact same trauma. One man says, I was a victim. This destroyed me. I will never recover. He becomes bitter and weak. The other man says, I was tested. This challenged me. I survived. He becomes resilient and strong. Same event, different story, different life. You are the author of your own biography. Stop writing yourself as the victim. The victim is a pathetic character. Nobody respects the victim. Write yourself as the hero. The hero faces tragedy. The hero gets knocked down, but the hero gets up. The hero uses the pain to find a new power. Look at your past trauma. Reframe it. I wasn't rejected. I was redirected to something better. I didn't fail. I learned how not to do it. I wasn't broken. I was broken open. Change the frame, and you change the feeling. You are not damaged goods. You are forged steel. The fire did not burn you up. It burned away everything that wasn't you. Own your story. Do not let your story own you. Law number 6, the theft of the now. Here is the most practical reason to let go. You are being robbed. Every minute you spend dwelling on the past is a minute you steal from your future. You have a limited amount of energy each day. If you spend 40% of your energy repairing a house that burned down 10 years ago, you have only 60% left to build your new house. No wonder you are stuck. No wonder you aren't making progress. You are trying to drive a car while staring in the rearview mirror. You're going to crash. Stoicism is a philosophy of action. It is about, what do I do now? The past is a sunk cost. You cannot get the time back. You cannot get the money back. You cannot get the emotion back. It is gone. Accept the loss. In economics, a sunk cost fallacy is when you keep investing in a losing project just because you already spent money on it. Smart investors cut their losses. They walk away. Be a smart investor with your life. Cut the loss. Stop throwing good energy after bad memories. Look at what you have in your hands right now. What can you build with this? Who can you love now? What can you create now? The present moment is a gift. It is fresh. It is uncorrupted. It is yours to command. Don't pollute it with the dust of yesterday. Law number 7, the funeral. The mind thinks in symbols. Sometimes you need a physical act to break a mental chain. If you are truly ready to let go, you must perform a ritual. You must have a funeral for your past self. Sit down today, take a piece of paper, write down everything that is haunting you, the regrets, the names of the people who hurt you, the mistakes you made, the what-ifs. Pour it all out. Leave nothing inside. Then take that paper and burn it. Watch the paper turn to black ash. Watch the smoke rise and disappear into the air. As it burns, say to yourself, it is done. They are dead. I am free. This is not magic. It is psychology. You are signaling to your subconscious that the chapter is closed. Once the fire is out, do not look back. Walk away. You are a new man. You are a new woman. The world is open before you. The chains are cut. The corpse is buried. You are light. You are dangerous. You are ready. Ascend.